Students, I'll take up the unsolved problems today. Question number 5. Solve the examples. A. See how you are going to write here. Question number 5A states that the textbook is in front of me, students, and I'll read the unsolved examples and I'll solve it and show you. An object takes given time interval 5 seconds to reach the ground from a height of 5 meter on the planet. What is the, using this data, what we are supposed to find out? The value of G. Okay, now height is given, time interval is given. Students, we have S, lower classes you have studied this, ut plus half at square. Therefore S is equal to, when the body falls in the vertically downward direction, u is 0. So it is 0 plus half instead of a, g, because acceleration becomes equal to acceleration due to gravity. S becomes h is equal to half gt square. Therefore what is g? 2h upon t square. Solve it, students. G is equal to 2, h is 5, t square is 25. Because 5 square is 25 here. This is 10 divided by 25, which is 2 divided by 5, that is 0.4. Okay. Therefore G is equal to 0.4 meter per second square. Put it in a box. Always answer should be written in a box. That's it. Come on. Problem number B. The radius of the planet A is half the radius of planet B. Given radius of planet A is half the radius of planet B. If the mass of A is ma, what must be the mass of B so that the value of G on B is half the value of G on A? This is the given form here. Take the ratios to find what? What must be the mass of the planet B? MB is equal to how much? Now, what must be the, in terms of A? Huh? Now, G formula. G is equal to G capital M divided by R square. Take the ratio. G for planet A upon G for planet B is equal to G mass of planet A, radius of planet A square, G mass of planet B, radius of planet B the whole square. Substitute. Students, what do we get here? What is GA equal to? What is GA? It is 2 GB. 2 GB upon GB is equal to, here GG gets cancelled, MA upon MB into RB square upon RA square. Are you okay here? This goes up. I hope you understand. Next, this gets cancelled here. Huh? 2 is equal to MA upon MB, RB upon RA. What is RB? 2 times RA upon RA. I hope you agree. It is whole square. Okay. Therefore, next step. 2 is equal to MA mass of A upon mass of B. 4 RA square upon RA square, cancel. Therefore, mass of B is equal to what? Cross multiply. It is 4 MA upon 2. Therefore, last line, mass of B is equal to 2 times mass of A. Ends the job. Problem number 2 is over. Okay? Go to the problem number C. I'll send the photo, students. Don't worry at all. You please copy it down in your notebooks properly. Huh? And after that, I'll begin with topic number 3. That is chemical reactions. Problem number C. Mass and weight of an object on the earth. Small m is 5 kg. This is given here. Small m is 5 kg. Weight on earth is the force of gravitation, students. Hence weight is measured in Newton. What will be their values on moon? Assume that acceleration due to gravity on moon, m stands for moon here, is 1/6 the acceleration due to gravity on earth. So gm is equal to g upon 6. Here acceleration due to gravity on moon is equal to g upon 6. To find what? To find what? Mass and weight are given. What will be their values on moon? We'll calculate the weight on moon. Point number 1. Mass remains same on moon as it is a conserved quantity. Why? Because mass, just like how energy is conserved, energy can neither be created nor it can be destroyed. It can be converted only from one form to another. Similarly, mass can neither be created nor can be destroyed. It remains same at any planet and anywhere. So this will carry 1 mark. Next, weight on earth upon weight on moon is equal to what? Mass of the body, acceleration due to gravity on earth, mass of body, acceleration due to gravity on moon. Cancel, cancel. Therefore, weight on earth is given 49. Weight on moon, don't know. We are supposed to find it out. Is equal to g as it is. What is gm? G upon 6. Cancel, cancel. Therefore, 49 upon Wm is equal to 6. I hope you agree. Therefore, weight on moon is equal to 49 upon 6. 49 upon 6 is what? 6 8s are 48. 1 remains 0. 6 1s are 6. 4 remains 6. 4 remains means अंदाजे 6 6 are 36 recurring जाणार. Okay, is it fine here? That's it. So write the answer in a box. 8.166 recurring Newton. Don't forget to write the unit. It carries half mark, students. ठीक है? Go to problem number D. What is problem number D saying? An object thrown vertically upwards reaches a height of 500 meter. Okay. What was its initial velocity? How long the object will take to come back to the earth? They have told you to take g easy. G as 10 meter per second square. To find what? What will be its initial velocity? And the total time. Please don't write it as t, students. Total time. What formula? H is there, U is there. We are supposed to calculate U. For that, first you should know the object is thrown vertically upwards, means given is V is equal to 0, students. So what shall we do here? We have S is equal to UT plus half AT square. ठीक है? Therefore H, applying it becomes U. T is not known here. Students, instead of this formula, I'll tell you we can use this better way. V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. B is 0 is equal to U square, don't know, minus 2GH. Because motion is vertically upward direction, acceleration due to gravity is negative always, and distance is height. Therefore, U square is equal to 2GH. Hence, U under root 2GH. Ghala value. U is equal to under root 2. G is 10. H is Pache. How much is it? See here. 4 zeros total. I hope you agree. 500 2s are 1000, 10s are 10,000. The square root is 100 meter per second. Are you okay here? U is over. Now, V is equal to U plus AT. Therefore 0 is equal to, because body is thrown vertically upward, U is 100. What is U? 100. Okay, 100 minus GT, don't know. Therefore GT is equal to 100, T is equal to 100 divided by G. 100, G is 10, cancel, cancel. T is 10 seconds, students. This is not asked here. Total time is equal to time of ascent, म्हणजे वरती जायला, plus time of descent means नीचे आने को, which is same. 10 plus 10, that is 20 seconds. You can refer the answer, students. You'll get it correct. Problem number E. Problem number E. A ball falls off a table and reaches the ground in 1 second. Time is 1 second. Done. Assuming G 10 meter per second square. Calculate the speed after reaching the ground and the height. To find काय? V and H. Okay. How you are going to calculate here? When the ball falls off the table, initial velocity is 0. Now V is equal to U plus AT. Therefore V is equal to U is 0. Body is thrown vertically downward, GT. Therefore what is V? G is 10, T is 1, that is 10. V is 10 meter per second, ends the job. H is equal to UT plus half AT square, which becomes 0 plus half GT square. Therefore H is equal to half, G is 10, T 1 square, that is 5 meter. Students, please write it in a box. Are you okay? Yeah? Yes? Is it fine with you? Students, problem number F. Mass of earth and moon. Mass given first. Mass of earth कितना है? 6 into 10 raised to 24 kg. They are the real values. Mass of moon, M subscript, 7.4 into 10 raised to 22 kg. Done. Distance between them. In textbook it has been given D, no? You write it D. 3.84 into 10 raised to 5 kilometer, which is not the SI unit. To find what? To find what? The gravitational force between them. Let me clear one point here. I'll use approximations. We have from the Newton's law of gravitation, F is equal to G, mass of earth, mass of moon divided by D square. Therefore F, G value substitute, minus 11, mass of earth 6 into 10 raised to 24. This is the value of G. This is mass of earth. Mass of moon is 7.4, 10 raised to 22 divided by D square, 3.84. Students, 10 raised to 5 kilometer hai. Don't forget to convert it into meter by multiplying it by 1000 square. Okay. Approximations will be using here. Will not sit and calculate and waste our time. I'll show you how to do it. सबसे पहले powers you bring them on one side. What are the values? 6.67 into 6 into 7.4. Okay. Divided by what? 3.84 into 3.84. Power on one side. 22 plus 24. How much is it? 46. Is it okay? 46 minus 11. 35. 35 minus 16. 35 minus 16 will be 19 if I am not wrong. I'll show it once again. 24 minus 11 is 13. Correct? 13 plus 20, 22 is 35. 35 minus 8 twos are 16. So 35 minus 16 will be 19. I hope you agree. Yes. So total power is 19. Keep it aside. त्याला हात लावू नका. Therefore F is equal to what then? आता 3.8 चा double is 7.6. I hope you agree. So you can cancel this for 2 here. ठीक है. 6.67 into 12 divided by 3.84. Done. 10 raised to 19 here. आता काय करूया? काही मोठं नाही आहे. 3.84 can be taken as approximately 4. I hope you understood. 4. कारण 3.8 आहे ती value. So it can be rounded off for 4. 4 3s are 12. Come on. 3 7s are 21. 3 6s are 18 plus 2 20. 3 6s are 18 plus 2 20. 10 raised to 19. Check the answer from the textbook. It is 2 एक shift करा decimal. 2.001 into 10 raised to 20 Newton. That's it. Done. Okay. This is your problem number F. Now one problem is remaining. I'll take it in the next class, and we will start with chemical reactions, students. Topic number 3. I'll send the photos immediately. Don't worry. Sure.